Hello, my name is Amber and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to play Crocodile Rock by Elton John. One of my very special Stellar Guitarist students inspired me to teach the song today. It's really fun, it has easy chords and it's super fun to sing along to. So let's get into the lesson. So let's start off by checking out the chords we need to play this really fun number. So we're going to need a G major first. From here we have an E minor. We're going to need a C major next. And we have a D major. So those are our standard chords for the song. We're also going to need two seventh chords. The first one is a D7 chord, which is going to look like this and sound like this. We're also going to need an A7 chord, which is like a regular A major with our middle finger lifted up off the strings. You can also play this using fingers 1 and 2. Next, we need an E major chord. So this is also a standard chord. And we're going to need a B minor next. I like to play this as an open chord, but of course you can play this as a bar chord too. And the last chord we need is an F major. Now of course this is also a bar chord, but in the song it's going to be played very, very quickly and it's going to be alternating between a C and an F chord. So the best thing to do if we're going from a C chord is to just play our mini bar F major chord. Much easier to transition because we don't have to go into a bar chord every time. So the F that I would recommend is just barring your first finger over the B and E string, and then you can just add in your second and third fingers. So we can go from a C to that F with much more ease and simplicity. So we're going to jump into looking at the verse of the song first. We have a G major, transitioning to our B minor chord. Next we have C major and to our D chord. So the strumming pattern that we're going to be using in the song during all the sections where there is going to be singing, we're going to be using our favorite strumming pattern, down, down, up, up, down, up. And each chord you see up on the screen is going to get 2 rounds of that pattern. So the G will get 2 rounds. Down, down, up, up, repeats. We change to the B minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. We have our C chord next. And then our last chord is the D chord. And that entire chord sequence is going to be played through twice during the verse. So let us go ahead and try out that verse with those chords and the strumming pattern. Starting on the G. 1, 2. I the G chord when rock was young. Me and B minor had so much fun. And the C chord skimming stones. And the D chord, place of my own. But the G chord I ever got was doing the B chord, the Crocodile Rock, when the C chord were rocking round the clock, and the D chord bopping to the Crocodile Rock. Well, so that is as straightforward as it comes with the verse. So if you are still watching, then I'm sure you are enjoying my tutorial today. The best way to support me is to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. And if you are feeling generous, then go ahead and click the super thanks button, which is also below this video, and you can show your support in that way too. It really, really helps me out in being able to continue being here on YouTube and making lessons for you just like this every single week. So thank you so much. Right, let's get back into the lesson. So the next section we're going to be looking at is the chorus, and we have a whole new bunch of chords that we're going to be looking at here in a different chord sequence. So we have E minor first. We then transition to that A7 chord. We have D7 next. and then we have our G chord. And each of those chords is going to get 2 rounds of the strumming pattern. So it's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, repeat. Switch to the A7, repeat. Then D7's next, and repeat. And then to the G chords, and repeat. The second line of chords, we have an E for 2 rounds of the pattern. And then as you can see up on the screen, we have A7 written twice with a little star next to each of those chords. And this is just telling us that we're going to be playing the chord for 1 strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before moving on into the D7 for the strumming pattern. So up to there is pretty straightforward. And the last line of chords we have is where we have that F, C, F, C, F, C. And this is when we're going to have those quick changes going from the F to the C, F to the C, F to the C. And the strumming pattern I'm using here is just a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, it's a little bit more difficult than just our standard down, down, up, down, up pattern that we're using. Something else you can do if that is a bit difficult for you is just a down strum on each chord. That actually might be a really good place to start, just to get the hang of the rhythm. F, C, F, C, F, C. And then when that feels comfortable, then you can add in a strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So let's try that entire chorus together, starting on the E minor. 1, 2, 4. E minor. There's something shocking when the A7, D7, me a better time, and the G chord never will. Oh, E, Lordy Mama, it's Friday nights when the A7, A7. D7 was out of the F, C, F, C, F, C. So that is as straightforward as the chorus is going to be played. Now the last section that I'm going to be looking at today with you is the chords that are used in the intro and in the instrumental. So the chords are really easy. It's the strumming pattern that's going to add a little bit of something different, a little bit of spice, and a bit of kick to the song. So the chords we have are G, we then have an E minor, next up is the C chord, and then we have our D major. So the strumming pattern we're going to be using for each of those chords sounds like this. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and. So the G major is going to get that entire pattern. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. Switch to E minor. Down, 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 up, down, up. To the C chord. Down, 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 up, down, up, and then to the D. So this strumming pattern is only used during the intro and then during the instrumental when we have that part where we sing la 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 la. So let's go ahead and try that out now, starting on the G. 1, 2. La, la, da, 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 da. La, da, 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 da. La, da, 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 da. And then from there we go straight back into our normal strumming pattern. So so on and so forth. So those are the main sections of this really funky song. I hope you enjoyed learning it with me today. All that we have to do next is put it all together in a playthrough, so have your guitar ready, and I'll see you in the play along. So let's go from the top of Crocodile Rock, starting on the G major. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I remember when rock was young, me and Susie had so much fun, holding hands and skimming stones, had an old gold Chevy and a place of my own, but the biggest kick I ever got was doing a thing called the Crocodile Rock, while the other kids were rocking around the clock. We were hopping and a-bopping to the Crocodile Rock. Well, crocodile rocking is something shocking when the feet just can't keep still. I never knew me a better time, and I guess I never will. Oh, bloody mama, those Friday nights when Susie wore her dresses tight, and the crocodile rocking was out of sight. But the years went by and the rock just died. Susie went and left me for some foreign guy. Long nights crying by the record machine, dreaming of my Chevy and my old blue jeans. But they'll never kill the thrill we got, burning up to the Crocodile Rock, burning fast as the weeks went past. We read and thought the Crocodile Rock would last. Well, crocodile rocking is something shocking when your feet just can't keep still. I never knew me a better time, and I guess I never will. Oh, bloody mama, it's Friday nights when Susie wore her dresses tight, and the crocodile rocking was out of sight. I remember when rock was young, me and Susie had so much fun, holding hands and skimming stones, had an old gold Chevy and a place of my own. But the biggest kick I ever got was doing a thing called the Crocodile Rock, while the other kids were rocking around the clock. We were hopping and bopping to the Crocodile Rock. Well, crocodile rocking is something shocking when your feet just can't keep still. I never knew me a better time, and I guess I never will. Oh, bloody mama, it's Friday nights when Susie wore her dresses tight, and the crocodile rocking was out of sight. So that is how you play Crocodile Rock by Elton John on the guitar. Well done for getting this far. Hey baby, do you want to give a high five? Good boy. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. And if you did, don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I cannot wait to see you in another Stellar Guitarist tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.